Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. A love bite, as I like to call it, the last one for this month. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest, okay? So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, small little mini love bite. Welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. Do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the reading. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first few cards that I have on my table are the Page of Wands, the Strength card, Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, Death, Ten of Swords, the Chariot, and the Nine of Swords. Bottom of my deck, I do see the King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so it's a matter of commitment here. Somebody said something rude, harsh, was a bit ungrounded. There were some hearts broken here because of a certain message, because maybe somebody was holding back and now something seems to have come to an end. And there's a lot of stress and worry here, Aquarius, about what's going to happen moving forward. Let's take some dialogue message cards first, Aquarius, and see what's going on. What would you say to your partner or vice versa, if you could? Let's take a few more from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And I'm going to take a couple from here, messages from the heart. Aquarius and their person, thank you. All right, Aquarius, the first card here says, it's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on a soul level. You know I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. So something somebody's got to know, which is maybe somebody was withholding some information, which has led to a heartbreak situation here. This could be regarding a commitment, this could be a marriage, this could be a partnership, which is like a committed partnership, or some problems regarding that. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about the triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. I do see a masculine energy who is feeling a bit ungrounded, or making their person feel that way, I don't know. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. Though I haven't always said it with words, there is love in the silence. Close your eyes and feel my presence. Be still. Listen to me tell you that I love you. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Like I said, somebody's had a heartbreak here. Maybe somebody said something which was a bit rash and rude, maybe. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. I haven't been happy for a long time. All right, Aquarius, if this is resonating with your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to start this with an angel blessing card to see what advice, guidance, or a message or a blessing that is for you in this situation. For Aquarius spirit, guidance, blessing, advice, or a message. Forgiveness. Yes, Aquarius, the situation is asking either you forgive your partner for whatever's happened, or maybe you have to forgive yourself for your, or something. I don't know. But whatever this is, forgiveness will play a big part in kind of healing this committed relationship. All right, so let's start clarifying these cards. What's this Page of Wands spirit and the Strength card? Page of Wands with the Strength card. Some news about something moving forward actually felt like bad luck or things ending. That's strange, because this seems to be good news of something going forward, creative new project or something like that. But somebody is holding back from, they feel this is not the right thing. They feel things have come to an end. Why is that, Spirit? What's this Three of Swords? What's this Three of Swords? What's this Three of Swords? They feel this may create some distance, and the balance of this connection will not remain, or something like that. This is very confusing here. Somebody's heart is broken because they feel, I do see somebody standing here and looking over the horizon with the world in their hands, planning something, and the other person feeling this is not fair. And there's heartbreak here. Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. Yes, somebody, I think, maybe didn't react. The reaction given to whatever this news was not that great, because they felt they will lose their partner's love, or things will crumble in a situation. Yes, they're not happy. Somebody is not happy. They're keeping their emotions in check. They're trying to hide their feelings, but they're not happy with what they are seeing or feeling, or they're feeling that, all this time, effort, energy is a waste. Somebody is not happy with the way things are going, but they're keeping their emotions to themselves, and this could be regarding the stability maybe of a relationship. What's his Death card? What's his Death card? Don't worry, Aquarius, whatever this thing is, maybe it's a bit stagnant at the moment. I do see things changing really quickly here, or at least there's a hope for it, that there'll be a transformation and things, there'll be happiness here once again, and you guys can, or maybe somebody is hoping for that, I don't know. Maybe somebody is hoping that, hey, maybe there can be a reconciliation and leave trouble behind, and maybe kind of find that peace again. Somebody is still hoping and wishing for a sudden change or transformation to happen. But right now, there is a bit of stagnancy and a feeling of defeat here. Feeling of defeat maybe because somebody is moving on. What's this Ten of Swords, Spirit? Yeah, somebody is feeling very ungrounded, unstable. They feel because of this choice made, it makes their life a bit stuck. They're feeling this is bad luck. Things are over. They're feeling betrayed. They're feeling things are not right. What's this Chariot? These are opposing cards. I mean, because something is ending, somebody is hurt because something is ending, because something is moving. What's this Chariot card, Spirit? Chariot. There is victory and success. I think there is a feminine energy who's sitting in all her power, has gained some kind of recognition or some kind of applaud, or is seen in very good light and is maybe moving on with her own life. And their partner is not feeling very grounded regarding this. They are feeling, oh my God, things are ended, feeling very ungrounded, feeling things are going to get stuck now because of a choice that somebody has made. There is a lot of worry, a lot of sleepless nights. 9 of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody feels, oh my God, this is the end. This is the end. This is the end. And it's kind of frightening them, frustrating them. They're feeling a bit antsy here because now all they can think about is the past memories of the good times. One more. Why is this person so anxious? Yes, maybe somebody is sneaking away. Maybe somebody's made a choice here to move away from this connection, maybe. I do see a feminine energy who's all glowed up, is moving, is victorious, and a masculine energy who's worried about this news that has come in or is being told, and that's totally like ungrounding them. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. You would know your story, but we will go more in depth next time. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.